In today's fast-paced world, kitchen gadgets that simplify cooking are not just luxuries, they're necessities. Whether you're whipping up a quick smoothie, blending a creamy soup, or chopping ingredients for a sauce, a reliable immersion blender can save you time and effort. Enter the Elite Gourmet EHB2425B Electric Immersion Hand Blender. A powerful yet compact tool designed to handle a variety of tasks with ease. In this review, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and reasons why this hand blender should be a staple in your kitchen. Why choose the Elite Gourmet EHB2425B? Pros: powerful 150-watt motor, handles a variety of tasks from blending to chopping with ease. Ergonomic and compact design, comfortable to use and easy to store. Stainless steel blades, durable, stain-resistant, and easy to clean. Versatile functionality. Blends, purees, chops, and mixes directly in your pots, bowls, or pitchers. Easy cleanup. Detachable, dishwasher-safe wand for quick and simple cleaning. Cons: single-speed setting. The blender operates at a consistent speed, which might not be ideal for more delicate tasks. Limited to smaller tasks. While powerful, this hand blender is best suited for smaller quantities and lighter tasks. The first thing you'll notice about the Elite Gourmet EHB2425B is its sleek and ergonomic design. The black finish gives it a modern, professional look that will complement any kitchen decor. But this hand blender isn't just about aesthetics. It's built to last. The stainless steel blades are not only durable but also stain-resistant, ensuring they stay sharp and clean even after repeated use. The ergonomic handle is comfortable to grip, making it easy to maneuver as you blend, chop, or mix directly in pots, bowls, or pitchers. The compact design ensures that the blender takes up minimal storage space, and the power cord comes with a loop for easy hanging. When it comes to kitchen appliances, power is key, and the Elite Gourmet EHB2425B doesn't disappoint. Equipped with a 150-watt motor, this hand blender delivers impressive performance, blending, pureeing, mixing, and chopping with ease. Whether you're making a silky smoothie, a velvety soup, or a quick salsa, this blender gets the job done quickly and efficiently. The one-touch control button is simple to use, allowing you to operate the blender with just a fingertip. This intuitive design ensures that you can seamlessly transition between tasks, from blending fruits and vegetables, chopping nuts or herbs, without missing a beat. One of the standout features of the Elite Gourmet EHB2425B is its versatility. It isn't just a blender. It's a multifunctional kitchen tool that can handle a wide range of tasks. Here's how it can enhance your cooking. 1. Blending smoothies and shakes. Create healthy, delicious drinks by blending fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients directly in your cup or pitcher. The powerful motor ensures a smooth consistency every time. 2. Pureeing soups. Whether you're making a creamy tomato soup or a hearty potato leek soup, the Elite Gourmet hand blender purees ingredients right in the pot, saving you the hassle of transferring hot liquids to a traditional blender. 3. Chopping ingredients. From onions and garlic to nuts and herbs, blender can chop ingredients with precision, making meal prep faster and easier. 4. Mixing sauces and dressings. Whip up homemade sauces, dressings, and dips in seconds. The stainless steel blades ensure even mixing, so your creations are perfectly blended. One of the most frustrating aspects of cooking is the cleanup, but the Elite Gourmet EHB2425B makes this process a breeze. The detachable wand with blades is dishwasher-safe, so you can simply pop it in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. For those who prefer to hand wash, the wand and blades rinse off easily under warm water. The compact size of this hand blender means it doesn't take up much counter or cabinet space. Plus, the convenient loop on the power cord allows you to hang it up, keeping your kitchen organized and clutter-free. Safety is always a concern when it comes to kitchen appliances, and the Elite Gourmet EHB2425B addresses this with its user-friendly design. The on-off button with fingertip control ensures that the blender only operates when you want it to, reducing the risk of accident. Additionally, the ergonomic handle provides a secure grip even when your hands are wet. Final thoughts: the Elite Gourmet EHB2425B Electric Immersion Hand Blender is a compact powerhouse that every home cook will appreciate. Its combination of power, versatility, and ease of use makes it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're blending a quick smoothie in the morning or preparing a complex meal, this hand blender can handle it all. The durable construction and user-friendly design ensure that it will be a reliable kitchen companion for years to come. If you're in the market for a versatile, easy-to-use, and powerful hand blender, the Elite Gourmet EHB2425B is an excellent choice. It offers everything you need to make cooking and meal prep faster, easier, and more enjoyable. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.